Welcome to Glasscraft's How to Install video for BarnCraft. This video will show you the quick and easy steps to install a single BarnCraft barn door. Today, we will be installing a 42-inch wide single barn door with the double Z design. Please read and understand all instructions and warnings before beginning to install any Glasscraft product. Before installing your barn door, make sure you have all necessary tools. You will need a drop cloth, a hammer, a stud finder, tape measure, electric drill, a ratchet socket set, number 10 3-inch screws, utility knife, a 6-foot level, and screwdrivers. Open and inspect your hardware and confirm you have the correct parts for your installation. Every installation is going to be different, and you may need to use different size bolts or anchors to install your rolling barn door hardware. Each hardware kit comes with an instruction guide. Please follow the instructions and make sure you fully understand the steps for installing the hardware. Now that you have everything you need to install your door, it's time to measure your door opening. You will need to measure the width of the opening, the width of the door casing, and the height of the opening. Make sure your floor is level. The height of the track should be based off the lowest floor level and may require the door to be trimmed. Next, we will work on the header. For this application, we are replacing the top piece of door trim with a larger header board to mount the hardware track. Start by making a horizontal cut on the top portion of the trim. Detach the cut trim from the wall with a hammer or pry bar. This is a matter of preference. The header may be installed above the trim and will require different door dimensions. To make sure your header board will be securely fastened, use the stud finder to locate the studs within your wall. Once you have located the studs, you will then drill holes into your header based on the location of the studs. Place the header onto the wall and make sure the header is level. We suggest you use assistance in holding the header onto the wall. When the header is leveled, secure the header to the wall using the number 10 3-inch screws. Place the rail onto the header. Level the track at the correct height. Drill pilot holes for the installation bolts at the marked locations. Place one of the standoff brackets between the rail and the header. Secure the rail to the header using the lag bolts provided. Repeat for all bolt locations until the rail is securely mounted on the header. Take the stoppers and place them on both ends of the track. Tighten them down with the provided Allen wrench. It's now time to install the rollers onto your barn door. Drill the holes after marking the location of the roller bolt holes on the door. Place the bolts through the door and roller hardware and attach the decorative acorn nut. Please make sure all bolts are securely tightened. Failure to do this could prevent the rolling door from opening correctly and/or disable the anti-jump feature of this hardware. Place the door onto the rail. 2 people should be used to lift and place the door onto the rail. When the door is installed onto the rail, you will then need to install the anti-jump stops to the top of the door. Mark the location of the floor door guide and secure it to the floor with the provided screw. Install the stopper at the closed and open positions of the door. Tighten the set screws with the provided Allen wrench to prevent the door rolling past the locations. Install the handle onto the door. Screw in each screw tightly with a screwdriver. Now your door is fully installed. It's time to admire your work. For more videos and information about the BarnCraft Rolling Doors collection, please visit www.glasscraft.com.